Hammer here. I've got a new heat pump. Right now it's blowing cold air, but as it gets colder, you can put it warm air. See? Right now we have it set to 21 degrees Celsius. Oh, there's a clock I can set, but I'll set that later. You can do that. Room temperature. Oh, let's see what the room temperature is. 22 degrees room temperature. Okay. There's a jet mode, but I don't want to touch that. See, it's from LG. And the one downstairs, I have one down in my basement. You can use it for your smartphone. One up here is a little bit older, so it doesn't use smartphone control, but that's okay. See, look, Smart Investor is what it's called. It smells good in here. It's making the air nice. Well, just wanted to show you my new heat pump. This is all for me for right now. It's called Gamer Showing. Please subscribe and